Hello everybody, welcome back once again. JJ's PC Builds with you once again. And if you liked, subscribed, and shared the video, it's much appreciated. But let's get started with it. I have to make a phone call really quick to my friend and see what's going on. So, give me a minute and let me dial it up and get it all going. Oh, you don't say. The 5090 is a leak? Really? Oh no. Okay, well, let me call you back later, okay? Wow. Okay. That was interesting. All right. Let me get that back on. See what else is going to crack today. Who knows? What else could happen? Yeah. Come on in. What's up? What's going on, neighbor? How you doing? You don't say. So you're bringing me back your PC because when you're playing games now, it seems like it's blue screening. Is that what you're saying? Okay. Well, right now I'm in the middle of making a video. You know, you can drop it off. I can see you already got it in your hand. So, well, just drop it on the floor over there and we'll take a look at it and see what's up. Okay, well, well, I'll say I'll fix it. Right now, let me finish this video and we'll go from there, okay? Okay. Have a good one, man. Wow. That was interesting. Looks like I got to look back on that Christmas build once again. I guess something's wrong with it. So, we'll go ahead and just get started with this 5090. Let's see what we can find. My friend told me that the 5090 is a leak, but it's an expensive leak from what they were telling me. So let's see what it's about. Looking on it right here at videocards.com to see what the rumor and the leak is about the 5090. From what I am reading, and we're going to get to the good read of it all, this says the RTX 5090 is rumored next generation flagship graphics card from Nvidia, expected to launch in 2025 as a part of the GeForce RTX 5000 series. According to some leaks, the RTX 5090 could offer a massive performance boost over the current RTX 4090 with up to 1.7 faster performance. The RTX 5090 is also said to have have a 50% increase in cores and a 52% increase in memory bandwidth and a 78% increase in cache size and a 15% increase in frequency compared to the RTX 4090. However, these are unconfirmed rumors and should be taken with a grain of salt, which I agree, until Nvidia officially announces the RTX 5090. The RTX 5090 could be also a very expensive, possibly costly, between $1,600 and $2,000. The RTX 5090 is likely aimed at the enthusiasts and professionals who need the best graphics performance possible, as well as gamers who want to play at the highest resolution and settings. The RTX 5090 could also support new features such as DisplayPort 2.1 outputs and multi-chip modules. The RTX 5090 is expected to be based on a new GPU architecture called Blackwell, which is the successor of Lovelace. Blackwell is rumored to be manufactured by TSMC using a 5 nanometer or 3 nanometer process, which could improve power efficiency and performance. The RTX 5090 also used new GDDR7 memory, which could offer higher speeds and lower power consumption than the GDDR6. The RTX 5090 is still a long way from being released, so there's a lot of uncertainty and speculation surrounding it. Nvidia has not confirmed or denied any of the leaks, so we will have to wait for more official information to know more about the 5090. Until then, the RTX 4090 remains the most powerful graphics card on the market. And the RTX 4000 Super Series offers some great options for high-end gaming and content creation. So, it looks like that the 5090 might come with the GDDR7, so it looks like it's going to be an interesting one. So make sure y'all stick around, so if we get more information, we will let you know. But we're going to go ahead and end the video right here like this. And if this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe. And if you've already subscribed, welcome to the family. Welcome to JJ's PC Builds. And my veteran subscribers, as always, much love and support for all that you do, helping support the channel. Hold on a second. Hello. Oh, you said make sure I say, hold on. You said make sure I say video at the end. Oh, I'll do that. I don't have any problem with that. So, you know how that goes, right? Okay, well, we'll talk to you later. Wow, that was an interesting call. Let me fix my headphones again. Okay, as I was saying, but until the next time and the next video, this is JJ on JJ's PC Builds. We will see you on the next video. Video. Ha ha ha.